Oh, fuck. Welcome back. Well, I, I don't know anymore. Security breach. We still got a couple more things to do, obviously. We gotta get the fucking prize counter security badge. We gotta kill Monty. And, we gotta do the endings and shit, which will be done. But the prize counter is, I think L chips. I think so. Hopefully I'm right. This is a long continuing fucking game. Fucking hell. Come on. Thank you. Any, oh, yep. That's the last one. So, who's here? Bullshit. I don't really want to keep continuing this game. Because I keep on failing and it's pissing me off. This game generally pisses me the fuck off. It's still good though. But it still pisses me the fuck off. What the fuck? Did I just drop from a fucking... Wait, what? Oh my god, you... Oh my god, there's no fucking way! I dropped from that high. Yeah. We're gonna go save. Go. Let's go. Got the game, bro. Stop. Thank you. We're gonna go save because I don't want to lose this. I mean, that ass. I don't want to lose this.
Why are you hiding from me?
My controller's fucked up. That's why I have to run like this. Don't know how it's fucked up again, but Brand new controller. On. I think we should be able to do it. Hopefully. Really? How? There's no way. How? I was nowhere near the fucker.
My hair is ruined. Why are you hiding?
Can't fucking run. What? That's bullshit. The fucking controller is so fucking garbage. God. Why the fuck does it always get stuck? Like, literally. I'm about to quit this series. I mean, deadass. I don't give a fuck about this game. This game is dog shit, bro. About time it fucking works. Okay. Thank you. What? Are you fucking serious? What the fuck is wrong with this game? This game is fucking garbage, bro. It fucking crashes. Probably didn't even save any of my fucking progress. I was literally up there and fucked me. Fucked me. Literally. Pissed off. I'm gonna do it one more time. If it fucking lags out, I'm done. Because there is no way for me to complete this game without it lagging. I mean, lagging me out. Being completely honest. No. Thank you. There's some fucking documents that you need to collect here, but... Oh. Why is she here? Can't go in this, really? Okay. Really? That is just Bullshit. Where is it? Oh.
Emergency lockdown activated. This area is off limits to guests.
No, no, no! Freddy, I don't know what happened. All I did was take the badge.
Do not panic. That office is now on lockdown. I can deactivate the alarm, but it will take some time.
Left, right.
Everybody still loves me, right?
Alright, he's not coming in. Just roaming. Is that the same fucking camera?
My hair
Yeah.
is ruined.
Okay. Good. Okay. Holy fucking shit, Monty. Okay. Okay.
Why are you hiding from me?
Okay. Then no shields there. Okay. Close it! Idiot! Oh. Nice. Set in the middle. Hopefully. Leave me alone! Leave me alone. I got 36 seconds left.
I am still beautiful.
Please?
All done. See? That was not so bad.
That was terrible, Frank.
Path looks
Help!
clear. Head to the prize counter.
Everybody
Oh, they left.
still loves me, right?
That's good to know. Okay, so. Prize counter? No.
Ruined.
Oh shit. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here. I'm being dead ass. Did not know how I'm gonna get out of here. Run. 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 Go. Use the fucking elevator. I can't, really?
Why are you hiding?
No! Leave me alone! I'm gay! Do not do that. Thank you. Holy fucking hell. Fuck it. Damn it. Thank you. Alright, we're gonna get the fuck out of here. For all I fucking care. I do not give a fuck about this place. I think it's down fucking this way. Nope, nope. I can't. Calm down, calm down. Oh my god, oh my god. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. No! Thank you. Bye. Why did I say thank you? I don't know. Alright. Cause I'm fucking... No, please do not catch me. I've been good boy. Promise. Good boy. Okay. Okay, I was about to say if the game fucking crashed on me there, I was fucking mad. Okay, please. Freddy, come here. Oh, Freddy? What? Where the fuck are you, Freddy? Oh. Alright, now we can finally do Monty, which I already have the controls for that, so we don't have to fucking fuck up anything, which is pretty fucking good. And if we can't defeat Monty, I said Monty, Bonnie, Monty in this, then fuck, I guess. But we're gonna have to go up to the mazer size, big long schwilled wielder. I just voice cracked very fucking hard. After we get Monty's claws, I'll upgrade him sometime next time, I don't know. But it's gonna be a while. Because I need a break from this fucking game for once and for all if we even get to defeat Monty. Because this game is a whole bunch of fucking hell. I'm being completely honest. It's hell. Use it. Come on. Thank you.
Welcome to Mazercise. Work off the calories while you eat. Sign up for a membership pass today.
I think I should
Super
go.
cool perks include discounts on pizza, nachos, fries, and cookies. Now that's the smell of fitness.
There is a vent in this maze that
I know,
leads
Freddy.
to the Monty Golf catwalks. I believe there is a control panel for the maze around here somewhere.
Is there a way you can glitch through, like, how, you know who did it? Alright, so, the way we have to do, we have to follow some type of tutorial or some shit. So, there you go. Just do your fucking thing and go.
These buttons change the maze. I wonder what the right combination is.
Yeah, so I have to look it up real quick. Okay? No, not 2032, you idiot. Alright. Gotta look it up. Don't care. Okay. 4 bottom 4 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull. Okay. Then 3 bottom 2 times. 3, okay. 2. Okay, then pull. Okay, 3 bottom 2 times. 1 top 2 times. Okay. Then I think pull. Yep, pull. And I said 2 bottom 2 times. 1, 2. And then wait, don't pull? Okay. Hopefully that's right. If it ain't, then we are fucked and then we have to restart all of it again. Hopefully this is right. Okay. Can't fucking see. I think I fucked up. Yeah, I think I fucked up again. Oh? Yeah, it fucked up. I don't think I got it. Nope, I didn't get it. What? Is that where the vent is? Why can't I go here? Ready? Yeah, I think I fucked up. Okay, we're gonna have to redo it again. Which I don't want to, but we're gonna have to if we want to defeat Monty. Monty! The fuck is wrong with me? Or did I just go the wrong way? Yeah, I can't even find Freddy. Where the fuck are you, Freddy? Where? I can't get... Oh. Okay, that didn't work. Yo, I'm gonna search up how to glitch through the fucking thing. Real quick. Okay, hold on. How to glitch through mazer size vent. Okay, here we go.
You're leaving me?
Fucking
For
ass,
MJF?
I don't
Yes.
give
They
a
don't even have a mascot.
That's kind of the point.
Shut up.
It's here, JCPenney Beauty. And
Fuck off, bro. I'm being dead fucking ass. Wait, what do you do? think we found our solution. Wait, where's the fucking pen at? Oh, it's right here. So. Alright, hold on. Okay. Okay, so where the fuck is that at? Still kind of blocked. Still kind of blocked. Still kind of blocked. There we go. I think I kind of trapped it. Yeah, I need to do like maybe twice. There, I blocked it again. Okay, I think I fixed it where it's like that. Then we press it maybe like a couple more times. That's still fucking hell. Nope. Like, see, look, I fucked it. No, that's not good. You fucked it. Okay, I think I might have fucking fixed it. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Yeah. Hopefully. Really? This game pisses me the fuck off. Are you fucking serious? Come the hell on. I can't get in that? What? Wait, hold on. Wait, what's that one glitch where you like walks in and then does that? Really? Freddy, what the hell? You can just come around. What? Why does it open that way? I have it, literally. Bro, I'm about to give the fuck up. At this point, there's no fucking way. How? Okay, I'm at this. Oh my god, this game. This game pisses me the fuck off.
Hi, Freddy.
What?
Shit, I was gonna see if I could recreate it.
Okay, so we're gonna have to restart because that's the only way you can do it. But it's gonna be a long fucking video, don't worry. We ain't wasting no time. Let's check what level we are. Alright, we're the max level. Well, technically, but you can't get level 10 unless you glitch the game, which is pretty fucking weird. Alright, we're gonna do it. Hopefully. Hopefully. Move, 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 move. Nope. Nope. You. Nope, it's not coming over here, please.
Welcome
Thank
to
you.
exercise. Work off
Alright.
calories while you eat.
Now,
Sign up for a membership pass today.
hopefully.
Super cool perks include discounts on pizza, nachos, fries, and cookies.
These buttons change the mix.
Okay.
I wonder what the right combination is.
Alright, so we have it up, right? So we're supposed to be facing this. Okay. Now, we press 1 until it's right. Okay, that moved it a little bit. I think that opened it a little bit. Fuck. Oh my god. Always. What about bottom? Maybe number 2? Oh, I think it's fucked up. What the hell? Okay, how the fuck did he do it? Oh. Oh my god. How many times did he press it? Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, then he flipped it 5 times. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He flipped it. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh, 1. Oh, let me switch it back down again. 5 times, like before. 1, 2, 3. I think his was like a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen, I gotta restart a fucking again. Fucking hell, bro. How the fuck he do it? Oh, patched. It doesn't work no more. Great. Here we go. This one we need. We need a new maze size fucking. I think it patched. Four bottom 4 times. Nope. Four bottom 4 times. 4 bottom 4 times. 4 bottom 4 times.
membership pass today. Super cool perks include discounts on pizza,
These buttons
nachos,
change the maze.
fries, and cookies.
Okay.
I
We're
wonder
bonking.
what the right combination is.
Fitness.
Okay, what's next? 3 bottom 2 times. Wait, oh, pull. Like we pull. Okay. Pull, pull. 1 top 2 times. Okay, then I think we pull 2 bottom 2 times. Then we flip it. Then two bottom 1 time. I think I pulled it. Hopefully. I think I did. Hopefully. Don't catch me. Oh no. Bad boy. I swear if I fuck this, I'm done.
There is a vent in this maze that leads to the Monty Golf catwalks. I believe there is a control panel for the maze around here somewhere.
Fuck. I fucked it again. This is not possible. There's no fucking way I can complete this. There's no fucking way. I mean, dead ass. Nope. Yep, not possible. Don't say it right there. I think I'm done with this game. Because the game instantly fucks me. Never mind. Never fucking mind. Where'd I... Never mind. We done it. I'm surprised. Open. Thank you. Now we are here at Montgomery Golf. Hopefully play it. Use it, you idiot. Is that a hit? No, that didn't hit. What? Can't get down? What? I did it wrong? How? I'm hitting them. Am I supposed to hit him over somewhere else? What am I supposed to hit? I am very confused. Oh, that would be so fucking cool to ride. I'm being honest. Not to hit that. I'll wait till it gets to 7. Hopefully we kill Monty. Does that count? What? What do I hit? Do I hit the other one? Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. Yep. I'm Monty. What's up, my boy? I mean, you're not my boy, but I hate you anyway. Ooh. Let me suck that dick. Monty, you're just not scary, bro.
Rock and roll.
Okay. We are just fucking run. Okay, hold up. Hold up, Monty. Hold up. Let me have some courage to kick your ass first. Okay. Okay. Now think about it, Monty. Listen, you do not want to regret it. Okay? We can stay cool in DMs, right? Okay. Alright, Monty. Calm down, buddy. Monty, calm down. I'll suck your dick. I'm being honest. I'm not trying to fucking start a fight or anything. You accuse me of. Okay. I think we need one more, hopefully. Don't think it's hitting. Like it used to. Where the hell is he? Oh. Thank you. Alright, Monty, your time is over, bro. It's over! Get the fuck up! Okay, there we go. Alright. That's what I'm talking about, Monty. Get your fucking shit. Fuck, boy. You ain't even gonna mess with Bonnie no more. What? How? Where the hell did he go? That I don't know where the fuck he went, but some weird shit. How the fuck do I get out of here? Ready? Help. Oh. Idiot. What an absolute idiot I have to fucking be. Well, at least we did it first try, which I'm happy about. Can never be happy. At least the Monty is dead forever. Well, he's not dead, but you know what I mean. No, get out! Get out! Thank you. Alright, we're getting the fuck out of here. Ooh. I'm actually happy that we did that first fucking try. We'll upgrade Monty's claws and another fucking thing, but that was first try and I'm fucking happy. For people that had to at least take a couple tries, there's no fucking way. It took me a couple tries the first time. First time I played this game, which was on PC. It took me a couple tries, but I think I did it in the first try 2 times, actually. I played it on my other account, then I think I first tried it. Yeah, I did. Then on this account, I first tried it, which is pretty fucking wild.
Did you know
I love you,
that
Freddy.
every
Can I suck
burger
that dick
loves
later?
pizza? Yes, it's true.
No.
Based on a double-blind study from a leading fast food publication and scientists,
We're gonna get the fuck out of here,
100%
Freddy.
those questioned would choose pizza over
Freddy,
any other
stop
food
looking at
group.
me like that.
Even people with wheat and dairy allergies. This has been another fun fast fact.
No. Let me suck that dick. I'm joking, Freddy. You know I love you. Freddy, you're my boy to the end, bro. You're my boy. Okay. Now, we're gonna get the fuck out of here, but we're gonna save real quick. Oh no. Oh no. Please do not ruin my day. Thank you. Roxanne, fuck off, bitch. I do not want to fuck you. I'd rather fuck Freddy. Have I never said I would never wanted to fuck? I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. But oh my gosh, we actually got his claws, which I'm actually fucking happy. Please don't tell me the game broke. Hold on, please tell me it's saved. If it didn't, I'm done playing this game. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Please, please tell me I still have my shot. I literally saved. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Thank you. That's about it. See ya.